Hello, welcome back to another vlog. So today we are going out and to celebrate my mother-in-law's birthday, and this is how my makeup looks to celebrate my suegra's birthday. So right now we're getting ready to head out, and once we get there, I'll see if my suegra wants me to show you guys her fit. But yeah, so please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. So right now, as I was telling you guys that we was gonna go and celebrate my suegra's birthday to a bar, so we came to get the kiddos some pizza. My sister-in-law's in the back. That's my son. He's staying at grandma's house for the night. So let's see what the night turns into. We leave, but right now I'm munching on a pizza. Haven't ate all day. So let's see how long they're gonna take, because girl, I've been waiting here for past 10 minutes and I see no motherfucking action. But it's okay. But yeah, I'ma stay tuned. This is my baby. Yeah, he got some gray jeans and a great jacket.
You're like, no, that's not me. No. That's somebody. I don't know because it got orange.
So I didn't end up finish vlogging yesterday because I totally forgot I was just having fun, and I barely woke up. It's currently get us zombie. So you would have let go el carro se regresa para atrás. I'm so hungover that it's been worse, but luckily I have somebody that takes care of me. So I feel better. Right now we barely eating. I'm eating Sonic.
One bite.
Okay. With some fries. My hubby got tater tots.
Oh, yeah.
And I got fries. Babe, what you got? What you got? What is that?
I forgot the name of it. Chicken, bacon, and cheese and rice.
Okay. So I'll finish this vlog for today.